presentation. So let's consider that this is your slide. On the left hand corner you can see there are a few options. Click on the option number 3rd. A window will pop up. Now click on laser pointer. It will turn on the laser, and this laser can be used during the presentation. Again, go back to and click on the option number 3rd, and you can choose the second option, Pane. This pane can be used if you want to do some writing during your presentation. Again, if you want to erase the written part, then you can click on the eraser and you can erase whatever you have written using the pane. And you can also use a highlighter to highlight certain text or a graph or any section of your PowerPoint. Again, you can go back and you can just simply click on the erase all link on slide, then it will erase everything. For example, if you click on the highlighter, you can choose different color. So this is red color, and if you consider the yellow, blue, something like that. Similarly for pane also, you can choose different color. If suppose I want to use a red color or say yellow color. Yeah, it's that simple. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe.